Greetings, beautiful beings. Welcome to our 5-minute release self-judgment meditation that can be completed on any day at any time throughout your day. Feel free to sit up with your legs crossed, straight elongated back with your hands on your knees facing upwards to receive all of the goodness that this practice will bring. Keep a slight gaze or feel free to close your eyes and breathe here naturally. If it is comfortable, you can loosen the muscles in your face, dropping your mouth slightly open and releasing your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Feel free to lay flat on your back with your legs and arms spread out if this is more comfortable for you. Let's take a deep inhale in through your nostrils, and with a big sigh, exhale it out through your mouth. Allow your body to find its natural rhythm and just breathe. We invite you to welcome in power to release any self-judgment that you have with yourself. Anytime you criticize yourself, scrutinize your insecurities, or be extremely harsh on yourself, we ask that you show yourself grace and display an optimistic approach to becoming the best version of yourself. Continue breathing naturally. Imagine that you walk through an open door into the backyard of a house. You see a bonfire blazing in the middle of the yard under the beautiful starry night. As you walk towards the fire, you notice a chair, table, journal, and pen waiting for you to come join. Continue breathing naturally. You walk over and sit down to snuggle into the seat and feel the warmth from the flames. You grab the journal and pen and begin to write all of the things that you judge yourself for and the reasons why you may put yourself under extreme pressure. Let's take a deep inhale in through your nostrils, and with a big sigh, exhale it out through your mouth. Once you are done writing, you take the paper and tear it out of the journal. You stand up and walk closer to the fire. As you throw the paper in the fire, you feel a rush throughout your body, releasing the convictions you had on yourself. The relief of no longer harshly assessing yourself and stepping into the frequency of being your best self. Allow your natural breathing to take over as your body is filled with encouragement and you are awakened to having full control over your purpose in this lifetime. Let's take 3 rounds of deep breaths as we ease our mind, freeing it of any negative thoughts, and manifest the power of non-judgment. If it is comfortable for you, place one hand over your heart and one over your stomach. Take a deep inhale in through your nostrils, then exhale it out with a deep sigh. Feel your chest and stomach expand and release the tension to assist in embracing positivity. 2 more times. Another deep inhale in through your nostrils, then exhale it out through your mouth with a deep sigh. One last time. Take one final deep inhale in through both nostrils, then exhale it out with a deep sigh. All right, beautiful beings. As we close this meditation, we manifest intentional thoughts, genuine thoughts, and peaceful thoughts. Intentional words, genuine words, and peaceful words. Intentional love, genuine love, and peaceful love. And if you would like added affirmations and manifestations, we are going to do a deep inhale in to prepare. And on your exhale, we are going to do an I am power statements. I representing inspiration, A representing affirmations, and M representing manifestations. I am releasing self-judgment and empowering myself instead. I am optimistic. I am magical. I am divine. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. I am peaceful. I am focused. I am worthy. I am beautiful. I am enough. I am here to achieve optimal wellness. I am taking back my power, and I am grateful for another day and another opportunity at life. Thank you, Ashe. Now, if you are prepared to move forward with your day, we are going to go ahead and take a deep breath in to prepare, and then exhale to begin to awaken your body. Open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and your toes, close your mouth, and breathe naturally. If you are laying down, take an inhale to prepare, and on your exhale, turn over onto your side into a fetal position. Stay here for a moment, and then place your hand on the ground and lift yourself up into a seated position. If you are sitting, uncross your legs, release your arms, and shake both gently. Thank you so much for participating, and we hope that you enjoyed this release self-judgment meditation today. Feel free to save this for future reference. We manifest a positive, productive, and peaceful remainder of the day. Peace.